Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the BlackShark V2 Hyperspeed has at least 30% charge and the dongle sits in a working USB port. Once done, power the headset off completely because resets require fresh state. Make sure you can reach the tiny power button and the USB-C port. Now press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces the headset into pairing mode, which is the first actionable step to clear prior connections and prepare for a reset. Once the headset is in pairing mode, unplug the Hyperspeed dongle and wait about 5 to 10 seconds. Reinsert it to force a fresh USB handshake. Then open Razer Synapse or the Razer firmware updater on your PC, since software-level resets occur there. Look for the BlackShark V2 Hyperspeed in the device list. If present, choose Reconnect or the Firmware Reinstall option. This reinstalls radio firmware and clears corrupt pair data. Doing so resolves most connect. After firmware or reconnect completes, pair the headset to the dongle normally and verify audio and microphone in your OS sound settings. Make sure input/output sample rates match to avoid glitches. If pairing fails, power the headset off and hold the power button for about 15 seconds to force a deeper factory reset, then repeat the pairing. If problems persist, test the dongle on a second PC to determine whether the dongle or headset is faulty, which narrows down the remedy quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.